If you lock me up in your hut for 7 days and all I have is a laptop, internet, an ATM card, this is exactly what I would do to start making at least 750K a month, even if the economy went to the dogs. Hello everyone, my name is Yemi Alabi and I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a program called the 72-hour income generator program. It's an awesome program that has changed my life and it's changed the lives of thousands of people already. And I know it can do the same for you too. But before I go any further, if this is your first time watching any of our videos, kindly subscribe, like, and share. That way, YouTube gets to show our videos to more people, and I also do get motivated to do more of such videos and create more value for you guys. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, like I said earlier, the name of the program is called the 72-hour income generator program, and it's basically a program that teaches you how to sell online. If you've been around the internet long enough, you'd realize that if you really want to make money online, one of the skills you need to master and master very well is your ability to sell online. Because if you don't know how to sell online, you are not going to make any money. Even if you do make money, it's not going to be tangible enough to sustain you. Just going to be here and there, but there isn't going to be a predictable outcome as to how much you can make. So this program was created by Mr. Toyo Motosho, and I think that is why you should pay attention to the video because Mr. Toyo Motosho is a well-known name as far as the online community is concerned. But just in case you haven't heard of him before, Mr. Toyo Motosho is an expert in selling online and has been a mentor for over 10 years. So you could say that he knows his onions. Definitely, he knows his onions. He has mentored many, and he himself is an example of what he teaches. He has built several online businesses and made millions of naira simply by applying the techniques that he teaches. He has also taught several Nigerians, including myself, how to set up online businesses and a lot of them have gone ahead to make millions simply by following his blueprint. Now, the 72-hour implementation program provides a step-by-step guide on how anybody, including yourself, can set up an online business capable of generating at least 750K a month. Now, what does this mean? It means that it provides a workable and realistic blueprint that you could use to generate a consistent income online. Even if you want to do this on a part-time basis, it doesn't have to be a full-time job. You could do it as a side hustle. Even Mr. Toye himself does it as a side hustle. He has other businesses that he attends to that takes his time. Even I do it as a side hustle as well. It's not something that I do on a full-time basis. So basically, if you want to make more money and have more time to do the things that really matter to you in life, then I think you should give it a try. So I know what you're thinking. What makes this program any different? I mean, there are thousands of other programs online that promises the same thing. And at the end of the day, you purchase them, you go through them, and you realize that they're just total BS. Well, no problem. I'm going to tell you right away. Well, first of all, there are loads of testimonials from people just like you who have gone through the course, who have gone ahead to achieve outstanding results. The product creator himself provides some kind of awesome support for students. Yeah, there is support on Telegram, support on Facebook. You know, you could chat him up, and he's going to be there to guide you and all of that. And the support is just awesome. Basically, um, Mr. Tony is a cool guy. I'm not just saying it to patronize him. He's actually someone who is gifted in the art of teaching. He really does know how to impart knowledge. So the 72-hour income generator program is not a new program at all. The first version that was launched was called 72-hour income generator program, but it was now relaunched, and this is now called the 72-hour income implementation program. Now, this is more practical. You see, we're going to be watching him do it. You know, he's going to be doing it step by step, and we're going to be watching him do it. It's like he's going to be just above our shoulder, and we're going to be following him every step of the way. So it's more of a practical approach this time around, and it's an awesome experience. I'm telling you, if you are not yet enrolled, you are missing a lot. And I'm not just saying it just for saying sake. If you're actually a part of the program, you will understand what I'm saying. So um, um, definitely, all I've told you now, you are still going to have objections about it. And any normal human being would have objections about it. And I know there are quite a number of questions that come up every now and then. And I just compiled a list of the common ones so that in case you have any of such doubts too, we could clear them together so that you would be relaxed. Now, like I said earlier, many people would ask, well, what is the 72-hour income generator program about? Simply put, it's a program that teaches you how to earn at least 750K a month by learning how to sell online. And then you hear some people ask, this one, that one, how am I sure it's not a scam? Well, personally, I can categorically tell you that it's not a scam. It is a legitimate business and has made millions for people across the globe. It's not a scam. It's the art of selling online is basically for you to make money. Everything in life is about selling. If you really want to bring it down to its fundamental level, everything in life is about selling. So your ability to sell yourself, to sell online, your ability once you are able to master that skill, you can never be stranded. You can never be stranded. I mean, I thought I knew a lot of things about selling online until I became part of the program and I realized how much I really needed to learn. And the experience has been awesome. Now, some people will now say, how am I sure it's not a scam? This one, that one, that one. And I'm like, well, categorically, I can tell you it's not a scam. It's not a scam, like I said earlier. Because there are some people that you still cannot convince otherwise. Most people, once they hear make money online, in fact, once the average Nigerian hears make money online, the first thing that comes to his mind is scam, 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 scam. That's what comes to their mind, you know? And but I don't know. I guess you need to get rid of that mentality. But a lot of Nigerians will still think that way. Now they tell you some people will come out and still ask me, how does it work? And this one, that one. Well, the way it works is simple. You recommend products to people that are useful and help them solve problems. And then you make money by exchanging value. Of course, you know that making money online is a product of value creation. And the more value you create, the more money you can make. So basically, you're going to be recommending products to people that are useful to them and that they are going to find useful and helpful. And because of the value you have created for them, they are going to pay you. They are going to pay for the product and you're going to earn a commission. That's how it does work. And then some people would say, how am I sure it's going to work? How am I sure that this thing is going to work? How am I sure it's going to work? The truth of the matter is, it's going to work if you are willing to work it. That's just the truth of the matter. But this, I'm not promising you free money. I'm not saying this is not MMM. This is not you go and sit down and put your money somewhere and then the money you start earning free money or what have you. Uh-uh. This is a legitimate business that requires work. But the good part of it is that once you've set it up correctly, you've done all the work and you set it up, it becomes like passive income for you. You get alert, you sleep, you wake up, you see you see that sales have been made, and it's awesome. It's an awesome thing. I'm telling you, it's really awesome. So it requires work from the beginning, but once you have set it up correctly, it becomes a sort of passive income, and then you can face other things while that one generates money for you on autopilot. And that's it. So let's move on to the other objection that we hear people talk about. And they'll tell you that how am I sure? Can it work for people who live outside of Lagos? Can it work for people who live outside of Port Harcourt? Can it work for people who live outside of here or there or there? Basically, wherever you are, I don't distance is not a barrier. As long as you have human beings living where you are, and as long as you are connected, the world is already a global village in terms of the internet has made the world a global village and has connected us, and it has made the world become really small. So Distance is not a barrier. Wherever you are, it's going to work. As long as you are still connected to the world, you are still going to be able to apply the teachings in this program, and it's going to work well for you without problem. Now, some people will still go ahead, there are a lot of pessimists out there. They'll be like, okay, so what if it doesn't work for me? What if it doesn't work for me? People are not the same. And this one is this, that one is that, and all of that. But the truth of the matter is that yes, people are not the same. But when the, once there's a pattern to a way something is done, if a blueprint, if a step-by-step approach has been laid down, anybody can follow that step-by-step approach and get a predictable outcome. That is just the truth of the matter. Once a step-by-step approach has been laid out, anyone can follow it and get a predictable outcome. So it still goes back to what I stated earlier. It works if you work it. If you are willing to work it, it is going to work. But if for whatever reason if for whatever reason it doesn't work for you, if it doesn't work for you, maybe after you've created your landing pages, after you've run your ads, followed all the instructions in the course, it still doesn't work for you, then you can ask for a refund. Your money will be refunded to you. The program does have a no questions asked, money back guarantee, but you need to do the work and at least show Mr. Tony that what you did, or you followed everything that was laid out in the course, so it didn't work for you. Oh, your money will be given back to you. Simple as that. So it's a risk-free thing. You try it out. If it doesn't work for you, your money will be returned back to you. Simple. Now, some other people went ahead and say, hey, okay, what if it doesn't work for people of my age? What can I say? Age has nothing to do with this. Anybody can be successful, regardless of your age. Your age has nothing to do with how much money you can make or how much success you can achieve. It doesn't age doesn't come to play. I think it's all a function of your mind. If you believe that you can do it, you will definitely do it and you will succeed at it. That's my belief. That's the way I see it. And I think that's how you should look at it as well. Now, so let's move on to the next objection that some people are asking. They'll be like, okay, so what do I need to implement this program? Simply put, simple. You need a smartphone, you need a laptop, you need a website. However, when you're just starting out, a laptop and a website may not be compulsory. In that, you could start with just your phone and use free traffic sources. There are lots of them out there. You have WhatsApp, you have Facebook. You could post online. You could post in forums. There are quite a number of places you could get free traffic from. And at the end of the day, those free traffic will generate sales for you. It's very possible. I've seen it done before. Mr. Shola Matthew is a testimony. He used free traffic and made well over 500,000 naira without running a single paid ad. So it is possible. So you could start with your phone, explore free traffic sources, make some money, upgrade, and get a website and all of that. So you also need to have desire, you need to have perseverance as well. Of course, you know that if you don't desire something strong enough, there's no way you're going to be able to achieve it. You need to have that as well. You need to have the desire to succeed, and you also need to persevere, especially when you hit certain roadblocks, because you will hit roadblocks at some point or the other. As long as you are willing to keep pushing forward and you are not going to give up, and I think success is going to be yours. Now you're going to be asking now. The next question some people also ask is that who has this system worked for? Countless people. The number of people it has worked for are countless. As in, there are many. He has worked for so many people. Mr. Toye himself is an example. Maureen Onome is also an example. Prosper Noah, Mr. Shola Matthew, even myself, and a host of other people that I can't even begin to mention here. It has worked for a lot of people. and it can and will work for you too. So why am I doing this? I just decided I decided to break it all down for you. Just decided to break it down for you to clear your doubts so that you can understand that I'm recommending this product to you because I believe it has the power to change your life if you apply it correctly. That's why I'm recommending it to you. Not just because it's something that I have used personally, and I know what it has done, and it's still doing in my life and my business, and that is why I am recommending it to you. So basically, I know it has the power to change your life, and that which is why I'm recommending to you. And you don't really have anything to lose, per se. You could get started right away. You are covered by a money back guarantee. And if you want to start getting the kind of notifications that some of us do get on a regular basis, where commissions drop and you see or you check your phone, you get an email notification telling you that you've made a sale and all of that, then I think you should try this program. And since it's covered by a money back guarantee, you really do not have anything to lose. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. So just check it out, and go through it and make a decision, enroll for the course, and watch your life change. Now, I'm going to be doing something for just a very select number of people. It's not something that I usually do, but I'm still going to do it just as a way to give extra value and to actually show you that I am really committed to your success. So for the first 10 people who actually take action with this, the first 10 people who take action with this, I'm going to do a number of things for you. First, I'm going to give you a free .com.ng domain name. I'm going to give you that's a free .com.ng domain name for 1 year. I'm going to give you web hosting for 1 year as well. And I'm going to help you install your WordPress and build your landing pages for you as well. I'm going to be doing this as an extra sacrifice for you. That's for the first time people who take action. If once the slot gets filled up, the offer is ended. As the people say, as you hear on in the advert, they tell you that the offer valid while stocks last. I have just 10 slots for people. So the first 10 people who take action, all they have to do is take action. Once they take action, as a bonus from me, they're going to get a free .com.ng domain for 1 year. They're going to get a free hosting for 1 year. I'm going to help them build their landing pages, and I'm also going to help them with um I'm going to help them build their landing pages and install their WordPress for them and all of that. So um I think that's all I have for you today. And so just take action. Take action. That's the only thing I can say right now. Take action, take action, take action. And make 2020, the year 2020, a year that you can turn back and, you'll remember for good and all of that. So, thank you for watching the video this far. If you really watch the video to this point, it shows how committed you are to succeed in this business. And I really do appreciate you watching this far. So, that'll be all for now. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Um, that will mean a lot to me. It's going to motivate me to create more value for you guys, and it's going to make YouTube share videos to more people. So, thank you very much for watching, and take care of yourself, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.